Go home happy with the 2024 Toyota Corolla. This sleek Corolla delivers impressive fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and head-turning style. Comfortable, affordable, and equipped with today's lifestyle in mind, it makes every journey the best it can be. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, hybrid, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Our expert team will partner with you to help ensure your driving life is the best it can be. This Corolla is waiting for you. Treat yourself to a test drive today.